Hi everybody, this is Babs again with the Zoom Driving Services instructional video lesson 2. So today we are running through the functions of a gear and how to move a car. Stay tuned. Okay, in the last lesson we talked about the gears, and there are 6 gears, 5 for moving forward and 1 for backward movement, which is in reverse. Okay, so today I want to show us the functions of the gears. I want to tell us about that. Okay, so like you can see over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then the reverse. Okay, so what do this do? The gears help the car to accommodate changes in speed. So when the speed changes, actually, you need to use your gears to accommodate that change. It helps the car to adapt to it. Okay, so the different gears have different neighborhoods of speeds. Gear 1 starts from 0.0, which is at rest, to very slow. And then gear 2 is from that very slow to slow. Gear 3 is from slow to intermediate speed. And then gear 4 is for fast, and gear 5 is for very fast. We all know reverse. I don't know how it works under there, but reverse changes the rotation of the tires and then helps us to move backwards. Okay, so when we are changing the gears from gear 1 to gear 5, that is when our speed is increasing, what do? We need to change the gears sequentially. That is, as speed is increasing, we change gear 1. After that, when our speed increases to slow, we change to gear 2. Speed increases to intermediate, we change to gear 3. Fast, gear 4. Very fast, gear 5. So as the speed is increasing, we are changing our gears to accommodate that. But then there's a trick. When changing the gears, because I told you, we change the gears to accommodate differences or changes in speed. So it could occur that we are moving very fast and then we sight traffic ahead. What do? We reduce our speed, most of the time to rest, that is to the minimum. What do we do after then? We change back to gear 1. So you see, this time when the speed is reducing, it doesn't have to be sequential. It's just based on the neighborhood of speed we reduce our speed to. For example, I'm moving forward very fast on gear 5 or gear 4, and then there's an obstacle in front, a momentary obstacle, where I have to reduce my speed for a second. And then, okay, for 3 seconds, let me say. So after those 3 seconds, what do? I change my gear to gear 3, not gear 4. Why? Because I've gone below the neighborhood of gear 4. So I hope you understand me when I say that. It's only when we are increasing our speed, that's when we change our gears sequentially from gear 1 to gear 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. But when we are reducing our speed, what do? We could change based on the neighborhood of speed the car gets to. So that's the function of the gears. It just helps us to accommodate, helps us to adapt, helps the car to adapt to changes in speed. So let me show you how to change the gears. Okay, gear 1, this is neutral, the middle point. This point here is neutral. It's not written, but it's neutral. So this is gear 1. How do we do that? We move left, forward. But I told you the other day, I said you need the clutch to change the gears, function of the clutch. So it's not moving now because I'm not pressing the clutch. But when I press the clutch down, what happens? It moves. Gear 1. So how do we change to gear 2? We hold it to that left and pull back. Gear 2. Gear 3 is what? We just push forward. When we push forward, it automatically goes to neutral. When we push forward from the back, we push forward, from the front we push backward, it automatically goes to neutral. And then we know that 3 is directly ahead of neutral, so we just push forward. So easy. Gear 3. Gear 4 is at the back, behind the neutral. Yes, gear 4. And then gear 5 is to the right, forward. Then reverse is to the right, backwards. I hope you got that. Let's do that again. Gear 1, the left, forward. Can you see that? While keeping to that left, we pull back. That's gear 2. If you don't keep to the left, what happens? There's a sound. There's a scratching, or I don't know, a very bad sound that we don't want to hear. It spoils the transmission. So we keep to that left to change to gear 2. And then gear 3 is what? We just push forward. Neutral, 3. Gear 4 is neutral, 4. Gear 5 is to the right, forward. Gear 5. Reverse is to the right, backwards. So now I hope we know about the gears. I hope we know the functions of the gears and how to change the gears. So like I said, I also want to teach us how to move a car. So let's get to that.